Hello everybody, how are you? Today I want to show you something because it's my birthday and I was thinking like, oh my god, what I should eat today before to go to my job. And well, I want to show you something that is very good, it's delicious here in Serbia, and the name is Kompletna Lepinja sa prosciutto. Onda idemo tamo da jedem da ti gledaš gde je. We go there that you see where is the place and what is Kompletna Lepinja sa prosciutto. And by the way, if you want Spanish classes or Spanish conversation with me, you can tell me, Jorge, quiero hablar español, y podemos hacer algunas clases y puedes aprender algunas cosas en español aquí conmigo. Wow, guys, unfortunately there is people inside, so I had to go out to wait my Kompletna Lepinja, so lleven tu corona. And yes, I arrived home. Wow, this is the opening. Look. Mi completa lepinja mía, solo para mí, just for me. So we'll see how is this. From the beginning it looks very good. Oh my god. Just to check. From the beginning you can feel the smell of the prosciutto. Wow. It's killing. So we are making opening. Oh, and the baby is here. It's close. And look this. Wow. We open. Brate moj. Prosciutto is inside. Oh my god. Ne znam. Ne mogu da verujem. I can't believe it. No puedo entender. I can't believe why Serbians are so skinny and when they are eating this. Look that. And it's delicious. Almost everybody says, oh man, you're from Mexico. Your food is really good. Oh man. Really. Wow, and we are speaking about Zlatibor, onda Zlatiborski yogurt. Here in Serbia, the people is eating this with yogurt. I would like to eat that with Coca-Cola, but today I am the Serbian way, so I love to eat as they are eating. We open the yogurt. Delicious, my god. Приятно. Wow. This is when I say that ja sam prase, to ja volim da jedem. I you can feel, oh my god, I don't know. I didn't ask what it has inside because, well, I told you people were there eating, and plus the restrictions, plus corona, and onda. I am here in my home, enjoying. Man. I don't know. I think that this you have this for all the day. You don't have to eat anything else. No tienes que comer nada más, cabrón. O sea, no mames. No mames, really. No mames. We are in the half. Estoy a la mitad. And as you know, a Mexican can't eat without this. Oh God. It's really good, huh? I really hope to go to Zlatibor soon, because this is amazing. The food, I saw the views, and it's amazing. I can't believe it. I don't know. Maybe I am crazy because I am eating with this with chili, but wow. Well, after this, I think I am ready for all the day. To the yogurt. I just wanted to show you that because, guys, you must come to Serbia to enjoy this paradise. It's really good. I really like it. And I'm Mexican. 1, 2, 3, 4 chilies. To je to, brate. Ja sam jeo moja kompletna lepinja. Nema više, nema još. Uživaj tvoj life. Uživaj tvoj život. I vidimo se poslije, brate.